Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the bellow hose in your LG washer, you will need the drill driver with a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Loosen the screw clamp on the bellow. Pull the bellow from the tub. Pinch the tension clamp and remove the bellow from the panel. Then remove the screw clamp and remove the tension clamp. To install the new bellow hose, place the tension clamp and screw clamp on the ends of the bellow. Position the bellow on the panel and set the tension clamp. Attach the bellow to the tub. Tighten the screw clamp. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.